everyone, my name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is November 15th, 2021, and this is a special VRA update, an update on Verasity. If you're subscribed to the channel, you'll know that this is one of my favorite altcoin projects. I currently have a big bag of this, and I am looking to offload the bag, right, before the imminent dump. I do believe that there is going to be an imminent dump, not just on Verasity, but on the market at large. So this is what I'm updating you on, my progress. And yeah, if you're interested in that, then stay tuned. All right, let's take all these indicators off. Using this vital algo indicator here, but let's clean this up right now. So basically, last I left you, we had this A wave, and I said that we needed to turn around and hit this B wave, and this is where I was going to look to sell at the top of the B wave, right, which is the relief rally. We know in Elliott wave theory, the B wave is the relief rally to the initial A wave drop. Just zooming out a little more for those of you for whom this is the first video, this is why we think we're at a top, right? Let's go into the log, or else none of this makes sense. Auto, just to get some perspective, turn off the auto because it's annoying to work with. All right, so we have 5 waves up, according to Elliott wave theory. After 5 waves, you get an ABC correction. Here's our A correction that we got in July. The July low is the bottom of A. The top here at 8.4 cents was the October high, the all-time high. And now from this, you get an even smaller ABC because obviously everything is fractal. So from the top of the B wave in October, right, October 30th or 29th, whatever, you get a drop, right? That initial drop indicates a change in trend, and you're going to get a relief rally from that, and this is what we're looking to sell. Okay, now how high does the B wave go is the question, right? Right now I've got a limit order set for 9.3 cents, and I'm going to tell you why I believe 9.3 cents is the price to sell at. Okay, first, look at this big candle. What is this? You know, a lot of people who don't know anything about charting, who may not understand much about, price action, they see this, they say a VRA moon time, VRA alt season, alt moon season, whatever, it's time for VRA to moon. No, that's not really, right? Zoom out. Look at the bigger context. Look at the stochastic RSI on the 12-hour. Do you see that? We're topped out. We are overbought. We have to go back into oversold territory before moving back up again. Okay, that's just what you do, right? So looking at this candle, what happened? We have to go on to smaller time frames and very, very small time frames. 5-minute time frame, right? We need to see definition. What happened? Actually, let's go even smaller. 1-minute time frame. What happened? And this is a proper use of small time frame. You get to see what's going on, right? We have an impulse, right? Obviously, that big candle was an impulsive move. We have 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, okay? We have 5 waves to the upside, and that is, this ABC is A, that's a wave, B wave retraces the A wave, right? And then the C beginning the sort of retracement of this impulsive wave. Okay, now we're going to get a little bit of context. So what was this? If you zoom back out to the 4-hourly time frame, we're clearly in a B wave, okay? In a B wave. So what do we know about B waves? They're comprised of A, B, C waves themselves, okay? A waves are comprised of A, B, C waves. A, B, C. B waves are comprised of A, B, C waves. A, B, C, okay? So it gets confusing because it's all fractalized and it's hard to figure out which degree you're in. But very simply, if this is an A wave, right? This is the C wave of the A wave. Remember, the C wave of the A wave is impulsive, right? So if, let's count this out. I don't want to confuse anybody. If this is a B wave, it's comprised of an ABC, right? So that means A, B, C. This is what I'm seeing, okay? And let's go on to smaller time frames for you to see more of how that makes sense. The A wave, A, B, C, that's the impulsive part of the A wave, okay? You know that that is the impulsive part of the A wave. You know that's the C wave because the C wave is the only part that goes like that. That's impulsive, okay? The B wave is a retracement of this A wave, and it usually retraces between 0.5 and 618 of the A wave. So just measuring that going on larger time frames, taking the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom to the top, B should come around here, and you see all of these EMAs. B should find support on top of these EMAs and on top of this price action here, okay? So that's going to be between the 0.5 and the 618, okay? Now, we have A and we have B. We can calculate C. You know, C is calculated how? By taking the Fibonacci extension tool and tracing a line to A, retracement of B, that's most likely going to be here-ish. And we know that these C waves typically end at the between the 1 and the 1, 2, 3, 6 level of this extension. So this is why B is up here. And you see that the 1 ends around 9 cents and the 1, 2, 3, 6 ends about 9.6 cents. In between is a fair kind of estimate, right? I've got my limit order set for 9.3. It could be higher, it could be lower, but 9.3 right now, I'm going to track it, right? I'm going to make sure that this B is exactly where it needs to be, right? After this B wave is finished. But right now, as it stands, the estimate is that it's going to hit 9.3 cents. And that would be commensurate or consistent with how the B wave retracements have been working in this asset. Okay, so if we zoom out, go back onto log, auto, take off auto because it's annoying. Get rid of this noise. Well, no, yeah, get rid of this. We see that just this, if we look at this, right, and again, all of this is proportion. Let's get rid of this. All of this is proportion. So it doesn't matter if it's on higher time frame or lower time frames. It's all fractal. So this A wave and this B wave, how much did this B wave retrace this A wave? Let's see. Take the Fibonacci retracement tool, top of the A wave, bottom of the A wave. The B wave, let me try that again. Top of the A wave, bottom of the A wave. The B wave retraced to the 1, 2, 3, 6 of the A wave, okay? VRA tends to do that. We know that if it retraced beyond the 1, 2, 3, 6, between the 1, 2, 3, 6 and the 1, 6, 1, 8, then it's a running flat, or sorry, not a running flat, an expanded or irregular flat, and that's less likely. You see that sometimes, but not as often. So we anticipate the same thing will happen if we take the Fibonacci retracement tool once again, the top of A to the bottom of A. Our target can be as high as 9.7 cents, okay? So I'm going to track the price as this C wave happens, and we know the C wave is going to be impulsive. It's going to be 5 waves up, right? It's not going to be as crazy fast as this C wave of A, right? Because it's going to be a larger wave, so it's going to be a larger time frame. But this C wave happened in the span of an hour and 25 minutes. You're going to have a little more time than that, okay? So that's just my update on VRA. I know a lot of you don't like hearing this. You know, we're going to get topped out, you know, and I'm not. I love VRA. I'm a fan of VRA. I'm a fan of the project. I'm going to reinvest in it after I sell. I'm just trying to sell the top, right? And I think that's the point of crypto. Personally, sell the tops, buy the bottoms, try it. You know, it's not either you spend time in the market or you try to time in the market. It's both. I both spend time in the market and try to time the market. And I suggest you do the same, but, you know, not financial advice. You do what you like. But I'm just trying to share this because, you know, I said I'd update, and I haven't sold yet. So, you know, if you guys want to front run, go ahead, front run. I'm just sharing my analysis. And if 1-2 people benefit from it, then, you know, congratulations. And I hope you make a lot of money and you multiply your bags. Don't bother leaving salty comments. I don't really care. You can leave comments. Leave all the comments you want, actually. I'm going to probably heart and like it because that's what I do. I don't mind. I understand why some people don't like to hear this. But again, I don't make the markets, right? I'm not that rich yet, all right? So that's it for VRA. If you got value from this analysis, if you like this kind of content, like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, share the video if you'd like, and I'll see you guys next time.